Hey guys, welcome back. I am coming on to do a layout for my Nifty 50 page kit series. And I am using this kit. It's from April 2023, so I'm getting a little more current from the scrap room. This is all based on Paige Evans. It's the Paige Evans Blooming Wild collection. And I have used this and used it. You have no idea, which is fine. It's gorgeous. So what I have left is I added white cardstock, guys. This white cardstock was in the kit. I have got literally bits and pieces of this gorgeousness. Not much, just bits and pieces of happy goodness. I also have a nice amount from half of the sticker sheet. I've got 2 pieces of ephemera, 1 full frame, and a couple of bits. Great. What else to tell you? I'm going to be using this sketch. It was day 10 of Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches, series 15, I believe. I'm looking it up right now to show you a better picture of it because, you might want a better picture. I get it. It's black and white. So let's see. Okay, here it is. And this was from Lissa Flanagan, also known as Bangs and Glasses. So there's a big old title, interesting. A strip over here with a photo, embellishments, embellishments, embellishments. So it's kind of like a visual triangle though, because we could go here, here, here. And big title. So let's see what we have. Now I told you I brought in a scrap of white cardstock. I'm gonna move my pretty pretties aside. Oh, and I already picked some flair to go with it because I, always have my next project waiting on my desk, kind of waiting when I am kind of thing. So let's see what we have. I'm not going to need this cardstock for this layout because I printed a photo that was already matted. So that's fine. All right. So this is my large piece and it's got these gorgeous bits on here. That's the only piece that there's the flare I picked out. The color match is pretty darn good, so I think that will be great. Excuse me. So I have a nice little scrap of white there as well. And then you guys, I should have even kept this as a kit, but I had to because it's Paige Evans stuff and I love what she does. Okay. So I'm going to move those bits to the side and let me show you the photo. I've already scrapped this photo before and I had to reprint it for some reason and this was my leftover print. It is a 4x6. My daughter's kind of facing that way. So I'm going to be flip-flopping the sketch, no big deal. So we have a strip of 12 by 12 on the layout. The only thing I have, well, I could in theory do this strip. Right here is big enough. But I would lose some of these pretties and I feel like I need all of these little bits fussy cut. So, nope. Okay. So that brings us to the next situation. Let me cut off the branding strip. I'll hold on to it for now if I need it. I have no idea. So what can be sacrificed? That heart is gorgeous. So let's just make sure that we keep that heart, okay? Okay. And if I make sure we keep the heart, then I actually have this Hey Cute stuff. I have a couple other things that are really pretty. So then it's kind of a small strip that we need. So I'm only going to sacrifice the sacrificial lamb on this one. Will be this piece right here. Gorgeous, pretty. It's going to be great. Everything's great, friends. Okay, so I have this. Instead of the piece being on this side, like we see in my sketch, I'm going to pop it over there. And that is because, well, no, sorry. I meant like that because she's facing like that. So photo, great. Now, I'm acting like I have so much room for choices. I can't mat with this. Yep, sure can. This is big enough to mat with. However, ooh, that does look cute. However, I do need to come up with my title as well. So the photo may just be in white unless in my extra pieces, I find something happy and bright enough to pull this off. That is doable. That is not. That might be a ticket. Stripes are going in a way that I don't love, but I can deal. That's Halloween. We've got some black cardstock. I'll put the cardstock towards the back. So the only piece possible is that stripe in my lineup here. Okay. I like it. I like, you know, the choice is kind of narrowing, and it does match well enough. All right. We shall go for it. Let's just go ahead and pop this piece down so we don't have any reason to change that. And then I'll go like that. Perfect. My photo, I'm going to pop up on a big piece of dimensional foam goodies. I just have some cheap stuff that I have on hand that I'm going to use for this big giant thing. Because that's a lot. It's a lot, people. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to go ahead and get my photo right down. This is going to help me just to kind of make my choices less, which somehow helps me. All right, let's pop that on. Now for the title, it was very, very large on our inspiration piece. So I thought I might just roll with that. I'm going to have this stick out a little bit. Let's go with the drama of it. It's a very dramatic picture, so it's fun. I was supposed to put that under it. You know what? No, I won't. Because it's down, and this adhesive, y'all, it's not going anywhere. So fine. Fine. Now what I was thinking is I want to fussy cut out a lot of those pieces, right? Will any of these be big enough to do a title? Because I was thinking about doing the title as Glow, Glow. So like that could be one. That's definitely one. And that's one or two. So I just have to make sure. I would like at least 2 patterns. So this would give me 3. So I could do. So it would be for the word glow, kind of like that. I think that would be super cute. All right, I'm going to do that. I'm going to, although this could be another one if I, oh, love that. I could sacrifice this, but I am cutting this little sucker out. This is beautiful. This is what I do with collections from this lady. I can't stop myself. Okay, so I could use this just fine. I'm gonna go ahead and cut out a piece that I can sacrifice to the cause. I can use this side or this side. I think this side will show just a little bit better, and it'll be purple to the purple. How cute! Okay, so in the meantime, I'm going to sign off because I've got some fussy cutting to do. I'm going to kind of freehand cut out the word glow because, you know, that's what I decided the title will be. And I'm going to put these like scrappy scraps to the side for now. And guys, I'll meet you right back here when I have these bits and pieces all cut out. Okay, guys, I've got some nice traction. I've cut out my letters, just freehand cut them. Got these pieces here that are handy dandy. Oop, I still have to cut these out. I knew I had one more thing to fussy cut. But if I expand this a little bit, you can see all of those pieces up there that I fussy cut already as well. So those were all just out of the papers. I think that is fabulous. I have a couple frame pieces, and I do have this one. So I'm going to see if I have got, I do. I was going to see if I had any pieces from my Buttons Galore and more bits that I could add in. Ooh, I could use this maybe and just make sure I don't have the shells in there because I love the aqua. Okay, I'm going to do that. Make a little shaker pocket with this. This is from the monthly box, and these are an exclusive. I'm trying to see. Oh, yeah, I do have my paper that says what it's called the Sun and Surf box was for this month, but it's the most gorgeous little aqua-y collection. There's little tiny shells in there. Actually, I don't even mind the shells. It's just that it's not a beachy layout, but that's fine. So I'm going to make a shaker with that. I can be sure to use those pieces. And then I just need to do embellishment embellishment, like kind of here, here, and kind of here. We can totally do that. And guys, remember, I still have the full sticker sheet and I picked out some flares. So let's see. Let's see what we have. I'm going to use this one that reads Paradise. I'm going to do My Kind of Adventure because I think that would be kind of funny. And then Travel Adventures, I think. There's not much orange in my pieces. There's a little bit of orange, but not much. Is it enough? Or Travel Adventures has a lot more of that green tone. So I think I'm going to do that. And I prefer the orange. I just don't have orangey things in here. Okay. My Kind of Getaway, Travel Adventures, and Paradise. That's going to be perfect. So I'll put these back in my little travel bin. That was a monthly box from Scrap and Happy Studio, and it was all about travel. And I go to that first because I'm just trying to use up, you know how I try to use up the flare? I go there first because I'm trying to use that box and blah, blah, blah. It gets a little confusing. I did freehand cut my title, like I said, and I will pop that up on a little dimension. Great. I have to make my shaker pocket. And let's see, we talked about thinking, of having all kinds of pretty, pretty gorgeous treasure beneath the photo. I think that would be stunning. Great. I need a little something right here, so I'll have a little bit of floral there. Might be kind of cute, layered up with that globe. That would be cute. This piece right here reads this right here. I think that would be gorgeous. And I had something on top of the photo to bring in. I can put this deep color heart behind it to make that rainbow pop a little more. I have got 2 butterflies and 1 bumblebee. So I think a butterfly, a sweet little bumble over here. And I'm just going to keep going and layering and layering. We need florals here. I did fussy cut 3 of these larger kind of indigo colored hearts. I'll make sure that we have one of those in each cluster. And then let's see. Paradise, My Kind of Getaway. I don't want as many wordy bits over here. So I can have that here. I'll tuck that into that cluster somehow. Then I've got a sweet little birdie. I think I can pop that down there as well. And then, guys, I still have all of this, which is a lot. So let me work on getting these bits and pieces that we've already talked about tucked all in, and then we'll worry about getting extra little bits on, like these gorgeous little holographic hearts. So guys, I cannot tell you how well this is coming together. All of those bits and pieces are stuck down. That is great. I still have my cute little hearts here to think about. Now, I used this kit, like I said, so many times, and I can finally say, I think I can put it aside. It's going to be okay. We did talk about these gorgeous little holographic pieces, but I just saw this pretty floral. I'm like, how did I not use? How? What is this situation where I did not use this gorgeousness? Let's go ahead. Maybe I'll pop that one down below and put this right here. And it's got a tiny bit of that holographic. I'm going to grab whatever little florals are on here. And I'm going to dot them around. Great, no big deal. And yes, I know there's beautiful pieces. They're going to end up getting carried forward to some other layout, and that's fine. Flowers, flowers, flowers. And then I'm going to do the holographic hearts. I'm going to do these hearts. I did do a cute little shaker right here, and I'll put the same sequins, here and there on my layout in a minute. Now, we didn't get any of my little wood pieces on. And you guys, I don't even know if there's room at this point because I've been going off with this. I did get 3 very large flare. That's fun. Feeling, eating, reading. Feeling. The feeling is kind of cute for this. And I actually have a spot. All right, I'm going to use feeling. Feeling. because I can tuck that in so cute right there. So then I'll get like 2 more little hearts. I've got this little tiny one left. So I can put that into like that little cluster over there. And then let me look for a fairly small one because of how much I have right there. All right, perfect. We did that part. Now, at this point, for the most part, y'all, aside from Flare, I have some pretty like matte items on here. These stickers will help. Let me see, where's my, guys, where is my little bin with my random, here it is. I also have random little bits and pieces from, you know, like little tiny puffies and enamel dots. I'm going to pop some of those on. I just saw a glittery set. Oh, these were Rosie's Studio. I was seeing if any of the colors match. Not bad, not great, but I think I'm going to try to use those because those are hard for me to use. For some reason, I used whatever color this was. Maybe it was Orchid, but I haven't gotten much traction here. So I'm going to pop some of those on, these pieces on. Guys, I'm going to have still shots to follow. I'll also have the link for Buttons Galore and More because there's a discount code there. It's affiliate link. Use it if you want to. Is there anything else to tell you guys? I don't think so. So I'll have a few still shots to follow, guys, and I will see you ever so soon with another video. Bye for now, friends.